Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Faster Talks. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. तो गाइस वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप सभी के लिए एक नोटिस है, हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है दोस्तों, वो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। ये ऑफिशियल टेलीग्राम चैनल है, यहाँ पर आपको रेगुलर अपडेट्स मिलती रहती है, तो आप ये ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। और यहाँ पे आपको देखने मिल जाता है इन्फोसिस डिस्कशन ग्रुप, तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो 1500 प्लस यहाँ पे मेंबर्स है, तो आप ये ज्वाइन हो सकते हो और उनसे डिस्कशन कर सकते हो। एंड इन्फोसिस 13 जून एग्जाम के लिए मैंने एक स्पेशल ग्रुप बनाकर रखा है, तो वहां पर भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हो। वहां पर आपको रेगुलर अपडेट्स मिलते रहेंगे। आपको टेलीग्राम ये इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक मिल जाता है सभी टेलीग्राम चैनल का, तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। वहां पर मैं आपके डाउट्स भी रेगुलरली क्लियर करते रहता हूँ, ठीक है। तो आपको सबसे पहले ज्वाइन कर लेना है। Here you can see on the screen in this video we will talk about the good news from Infosys that here you can see on the title 13 June results are out. Okay, so as you all know, you have given exam on Infosys on 13 June. So exam results are totally out for both the role, for SE role also and OE role also. So we will talk about details like result release for both the roles. Okay, now the next point is didn't receive results, so we will talk about that also. Many of the candidate, like 50% candidate didn't got interview result. Okay, so we will discuss that also. Okay, I will tell you solution for it. And the last point is expected interview date. Okay, so many of the candidate got result, so what about interview date, when the interview will be scheduled? I will talk about everything in detail, so please watch today's video till the end to get all the information regarding this exam. Okay, so here you can see on the screen, first of all we will talk about result release for both the role. Okay, so yes, result is released for both the roles. SE candidate SE candidate got result today, and OE candidate operation executive role result was released yesterday. Okay, so no need to worry, every candidate got result, and the 50% candidate got result and 50% candidate does not receive result yet. Okay, so what to do? Many candidate didn't receive result, so what is the solution for it? Okay, so don't worry about it, don't panic, it can take time up to 2 to 4 days. Okay, so definitely you will receive result. If your exam performance was good, definitely you will receive result, but if you didn't perform well, you can face rejection mail. Okay, so this is clear cut. Okay, if your exam performance was good, you will receive result. Okay, and you will get an interview. But if your exam 13 June exam was not good, you will get to see a rejection mail and not a result mail. Okay, so I hope you understood what I am saying. I will show you what is the I will show you both the mail, rejection mail also and the selection mail also. Okay, so here you can see Infosys recruitment process. Congratulations on qualifying for the interview round. Once you qualified for interview round and you clear the assessment, you will get to see a mail like this. Okay, here you can see all the details. You have cleared the online test to qualify for the interview round of the process. Okay, and here the date is given and process is given. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to fill some basic documents, some basic details. Okay, so I will tell you step by step what you have to do. Simply click on the link here. You have to log in and click on the link. Okay, so if you click on the link, okay, you will get to see a page like this. Okay, you will get to see a page like this, and the second step is sign in. Okay, so you have to sign in with your registered email ID. Okay, you have to sign in, and here you can see the next steps. What are the next steps? Once you sign in, click on the Infosys recruitment process form banner. Okay, so there will be a banner on the top of the page. You have to click on it and you have to fill the required details and submit the form. Okay, so this form submission is compulsory, mandatory, and the date is given. You have to fill it before June 18. Okay, so before June 18, you have to fill all the details. Okay, there will be a date given for particular candidate. Before that date, you have to fill the details. Okay, so here you can see on the screen, once you log in, you will get to see a page, and if you click on the banner, here you can see my mouse pointer. Here you will get to see a banner form. Okay, so once you click, you will get to see a page like this. Here you can see you have to fill all the details, educational details, active backlogs, okay, educational gap, okay, and all these things. You have to fill other details. Okay, then you have to upload your identity. So you have to fill all these details. Here you can see there are 8 steps. You have to complete all the steps, then click on submit button. This is the mandatory steps to get interview mail. Before interview, you should complete these steps. Okay, so once you complete, you will get an interview schedule date. They will send you a mail regarding interview. Okay, and if you didn't receive result mail yet, okay, so you will get to see a mail like this. This is a rejection mail. Okay, so here you can see, we refer to your application and the subsequent participation in the online test as part of our selection process. we regret to inform you that you have not cleared the same. Hence, we are unable to take your profile forward. Okay, so here you can see if you haven't cleared the test, you will get to see a mail like this where they will clearly say you that we are unable to take your profile forward because you have not cleared the exam. Okay, so here you can see this is the rejection mail from the Infosys and this is the selection mail from the Infosys. Okay, but the rejection mail takes time to come. Okay, rejection mail come after you will get rejection mail after 20 to 25 days, but the selection mail you will get within a week. Okay, so no need to worry about it. If your exam was good, you will definitely get to see this mail where you can see congratulations on qualifying for the interview round. Okay, so what are the next step? Once you fill all the details that were asked for the exam, okay, for the interview, you will get an interview schedule mail. Okay, then I will also show you what will the interview schedule mail look like. Okay, once you fill all the details, you will get to see a mail like this. Okay, here you can see on the screen, congratulations, you have successfully cleared the Infosys online test to qualify for the interview round of the Infosys campus recruitment program. The interview will be conducted virtually. All the things will be virtually. Okay, you have to on the video, there will be a link provided. Okay, in that link you have to join and you will get to see an interview. Okay, here you can see below are the details. There are the details provided, date, day, what is the time. Everybody will get a different time slot. There will be a duration also. So interview is not so long. Interview takes up to 18 to 20 minutes. Here you can see duration is 19 minutes. And here you get a unique Infosys meeting link to join for the interview. And there are the basic guidelines for the interview that you should follow. Okay, use the latest version of Google Chrome. So your Google Chrome version must be updated. And you should have a stable internet connection for the interview that you can interact with the interviewer without any interruption. Okay, now the third point is device being used to take the interview needs to have a working webcam. So as you can see me on the screen, like same also interviewer must be able to see you. Okay, so your webcam must be working. And the next point is present your original college ID and government proof ID during the interview. Okay, so during the interview they will ask for your college ID. You have to show your college ID and your Aadhaar card also. Okay, this will be required during interview. So please be ready with all this. Be seated upright with your face clearly visible so that it can be constantly captured by the webcam. As you can see me clearly on the webcam. Okay, so you have to be like that. You have to sit straight and see in the webcam and answer the questions the interviewer is asking. Now the next point is the surrounding should be as quiet as possible with no background noise. So there should not be any background noise. Okay, you must dress in a smart casual or you would for a formal interview process. Okay, so you have to dress casually. Okay, so these are all the interview process. Okay, interview details. Okay, so I have told you expected interview date. You will get to see interview mail in 1 week. Okay, in 1 week to 10 days. Okay, in this time slot you will definitely get to see interview date. I hope your doubts regarding this is cleared. If you have any other doubts regarding this, please comment down below. You can join me on Telegram and Instagram also. Thanks for watching this video.